Hi, this is Dr. Bacon from East Cobb Spine Sport Chiropractic. I'm sitting here with Reese. Reese, what brought you into the office?
I came in with with a lot of pain in my ribs. Had a snowboarding incident and either had a cracked or just out of place rib. It was difficult to even lay down in bed. Any kind of lifting with my core just killed.
Yeah, and what's neat, and to have that kind of pain on a constant basis, is that a lot of fun?
No.
No, not at all. And so he obviously needed some change. So let me ask you, did you try some other things to try and get this better?
I went to Life University and had a guy that was helping me out, helped me work through. I think that gave me a good start. I kind of just laid off it. I was putting ice on 10 minutes, 10 minutes off, 10 minutes on, 10 minutes off, and just not getting the kind of results that I wanted. The pain would start to subside, and then I'd do one little thing, and I was back to square one again.
Okay, so then, well, how'd you find us?
My girlfriend Kinsey goes here, and she introduced me to Dr. Bacon.
Yep.
And I've been coming here for
how long now?
3 months, maybe.
Yeah, well, maybe a little bit less, but close. Yeah, close to that.
2 months.
Yeah. And so the idea was, how do we feel after the first couple of visits? Could you tell us the differences?
Yeah, started definitely after the first one, had some soreness, just getting everything adjusted to being back in place. And then as time's progressed, it just slowly started to decrease, and I haven't even thought about my ribs in a couple weeks now.
Yeah. So that's awesome. So I'm just a little bit behind on this. So I wanted to have this little quick kind of testimonial kind of go over. It is. When you have a debilitating injury or you feel like you can't do the things that you enjoy, we call that not living the dream.
Yep.
And what we do is we kind of just compensate for it over and over. Even though we're doing some things that we think are helping it out, it can also be causing some biomechanical problems long term.
Yep.
So we got him in here. We've been seeing him on a regular basis. Literally after the first couple of weeks, I think we started seeing some differences. Because I kind of told you, listen, if we're not getting the results, we need to kind of find something else and maybe figure out what else is going on. But with this, then now we've got to move in the right direction. What would you say to somebody who had some rib pain?
I'd say get Dr. Bacon.
Yeah, right. So good. Or get adjusted, at least get assessed, and we think that's one of the keys in here. Now that the ribs aren't bothering you, you're coming in here every couple what?
Yeah, every 2 weeks or so.
Yeah, and you've noticed what? It's pretty nice coming on a regular basis and moving well.
And
that to me is the neat thing about this. The assessment that we use, I think, is different than the chiropractors you've been to. Would you agree?
For sure.
Yeah, and that's kind of one of the benefits of what we do in this practice. Listen, Reese, thanks a lot for the time. Once again, this is Dr. Bacon from East Cobb Spine Sport Chiropractic. Just a little bacon bit, and we'll talk to you guys again soon. Thanks.